Welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. Today, we are discussing about applying for probate. Applying for the legal right to deal with someone's estate when they die is called applying for probate. You may not need probate if the person who died had jointly owned land, property, shares, or money, as these will automatically pass to the surviving owners, or they only had savings if the person left a will. You can apply for probate if you're named as an executor in the will or an update to it, known as a codicil. You'll need the original will and any updates. You'll get a document called a grant of probate that allows you to start dealing with the estate. Each organization has its own rules, so you'll need to contact each asset holder to find out if you need probate to get access to their assets. These could be banks or mortgage companies. If you don't want to be an executor, you can give up your right to apply for probate or appoint someone else to apply for you. If more than one executor is named in the will, you can choose not to apply now but reserve the right to apply later. This is known as holding power reserved. Tell the person who's making the probate application that you're holding power reserved. You need to do this in writing. If the deceased person did not leave a will, then an administrator deals with the estate. You can apply to become the estate's administrator if you're 18 or over and what's known as the most entitled inheritor of the deceased's estate. This is usually the deceased's closest relative. You'll get a document called Letters of Administration to allow you to start dealing with the estate. You can also apply for Letters of Administration with will annexed if the deceased left a will but it doesn't name an executor, or if the named executor is unable or doesn't want to apply for probate. If there's no will, the law sets out who inherits the estate. There's a tool on government.uk to help work out who this is. The process is different in Scotland. For a free consultation about inheritance tax, reach out to us at 01217714161 or visit our website at www.naseems.co.uk. Don't navigate the probate process alone. Let Naseems Accountants be your trusted partner. Subscribe for more valuable insights, and we look forward to assisting you in the future. Until next time, take care.